Today we're gonna be reviewing iPhone 15 Pro privacy screen protector. Here's what comes in the box. It's actually brought two. I installed one on my phone. It brings a little cloth to clean your screen protector. This is how the screen protector comes in. Mine is the privacy one. iPhone 15 Pro has a manual, you know what to do and how to do it, and then it has the cleaning hardware that you can installation kit and cleaning is in one bag. The other one was the same. I had the everything in one bag, and then just in case you get any bubbles, it bring you this squeegee. I didn't get any. It went super easy. It's like you take this off, put it on top of your phone. You don't even have to clean it. Put it on top of your phone, pull this so it takes all the dirt and the dust out. Once you pull it out, you go like this in here, and the screen protector just goes in. That's it. There's no measuring, there's no worrying that you might mess up the screen protector. No worries whatsoever. It's incredible. Mine is a privacy one. You can see the sideways, you can't see anything. Same here, it turns off, but right here you can see nothing. It is fingerprint proof. I had it for probably 2 to 3 weeks now. I did drop it and nothing happened to my phone. It has a lip around here that is lifted, so even when you put your phone down, it's not gonna touch your actual screen because it has a little lip around. No bubbles. It's fingerprint resistant. I use it every day, and it's barely any fingerprints in there. If there's any, all you have to go is like this, and they're gone. I definitely recommend this screen protector. It's very durable. It's very easy to install. I bet you anyone at any age can do it. It's super easy. You just place it, pull it, gone, done. These people really thought about it and nailed it. So if you're looking for an easy, well priced, greatly made, because the materials are super great, privacy screen protector, here's the one fish right here. Get it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped.